Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to an episode of Untamed Outdoorsman. Today it's finally Pete and I together again. And today we're going to be fishing a pretty popular pond right now. It's a Saturday too, so it's a little bit busier out here. We're very hopeful to get fish, but the wind doesn't feel like it's going to let up either, so we'll just play that by ear. And yeah, we'll see what happens.
Okay guys, back on the water for the first time in a while.
I like this chatterbait elite quite a bit.
Alright guys, so this is a setup you've obviously seen before. It's a 7.3 extra heavy Froggen flipping stick from Favorite SLX, just a regular SLX. It's a 7.2 gear ratio.
It's crazy. I'm like 25% throttle. I'm going 3 miles an hour. I'm on. Yep, I'm on. On the chatterbait. Yeah, it's a bass. It's a biggin. It's a unit. At least. Oh my god, dude, this is a tank.
Is it fighting like a bass?
Yeah, it's a bass.
Good. Is it? It's like a 2.5, dude.
At least. This is a tank.
Oh, I'm on.
Oh, nice. Doubled up. Bass?
I don't know. It's shaking. Oh yeah, dude. It's huge. It's huge. Come here, buddy. Oh, come here. I don't want to break my rod.
Oh my god.
Dude, I think this thing, guys, are you looking at this? Holy crap. The windy spinnerbait.
Oh my god, doubled up. This one got attacked or something.
Dude.
Nice.
Dude, let's go.
Both 2-pounders. Both 2-pounders.
Bro.
Oh my goodness.
Nuts.
You gotta be kidding me.
Doubled up in the same spot. I'm drifting.
Yeah, I know, you're moving. The one that I had a bad eye and he got attacked. It almost looked like he was starting to get sick. If I had to guess, they're getting attacked by something below them. If it's a bass, they inhale it. If it's a perch, they're just touching it. Getting pulled out. Oh, I'm on. Biggin. Oh my god. This is a unit. No, it's a bass. This is big. Whatever it is, it's big. No, it's big. I don't know what it is, but it's big. And it's fighting me. Yep. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, Pete. This is not even my PB. Oh my god. This is a unit.
Is it a white perch or a bass?
Oh, it's a bass. This is big. Whatever. I don't know what it is, but it's big. And it's fighting.
Big bass?
Yep. Oh my god.
Dude,
Oh
that's a tank. Dude, what is this pond today?
Dude, it's fat. It's fat. Oh my god. Pete, this might be. It's heavy. This could be a 5.5 pounder. Whole Pete. Scale's coming out for this one. Well, you're right about a little bit of chop. Three seven. 3.7. Oh my God. Oh my God, unit. Yeah, I don't see much. Can hit this one more time. I know why all these fish huddle up around here. It's because there's a drop off. The best day I've had on this pond ever. Like, that's the biggest fish I've seen out of this pond since the late 90s. Before fishing was cool. I just got tapped.
Oh, I'm on.
Bigot? It looks like a bigot.
What in the hell? It's a freaking
That's a white perch.
white perch. Get over here, you big dummy. Dude.
I'm getting hit. Just not hard. Yeah, you feel them, right? Like, it feels like a semi-hard hit, too. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. We haven't been out here very long, but we got plenty of fish. I'm shocked. I got a 3.7 and a couple multiple threes at the beginning there. Really hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you guys in the next video. See you later.